Hi everybody, and welcome to another video. What do I have for you today? We got some pop-ups. I just did the one by Ipsy, and now I'm about to open the one from good old BOXYCHARM. Why? Because I need this box. That's why. These boxes are perfect for mailing products off to people. I know this is a good box. I remember that this one had some really good pop-up stuff. That's why I didn't just unload it and just say, you know what, I don't want to videotape it, and I just put everything away. If it's a really good pop-up box, I let it sit. And then it just kind of passes the time when I need a video to make, because I can share stuff with you guys. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff. Lots. I had fun during pop-up, drop shop, whatever the heck it is. You guys, these are cute. Thumper and Flower. These are the Bambi, Disney Bambi. I didn't have to look to say, oh, what movie was it? I was just making sure I knew which one I was holding. There's the Flower, and there's Thumper. They're really, really cute. And how do you know what color you have? If you look right here, see where it says Colourpop? Sorry, I forgot to tell you they're from Colourpop. See that mint? That's the shadows that are going to be dominant inside this. See this lilac? Those are the colors that are going to be dominant in that. There's the roadmap of the colors in the back. See how they are? Kind of pinkish, purplish, lilac-y. These are more mint, kind of like they remind me of e.l.f. Cosmetics. All my little, what were they, bite size like they call them? But this is cute. This is Thumper. Check him out. Not only is he adorable, look at him. And then there is a mirror inside. Sorry about that. He's on the mirror. Look at. He's so cute. Anyhow, that's them. These are the shadows. Very pretty. That, by the way, this one right here is like a grape. It's a purple, deep purple. I thought at first when I was looking at it, I was like, oh, that's black. And then I swiped it. No, it's like, it's purple with some really pretty lavender flakes, like flakes. And then we have over here the one from Flower. Look at, there she is. No, it's a he, right? It's little boy. There's Flower. Yes, there's a big old divot, and that would be me. This one as well is a deep purple. Everything kind of has, when you look at it from an angle, like an iridescent type shimmer. And then by Anastasia Beverly Hills, these are the false lashes in the style Snazzy. These are called Snazzy. They're very pretty. By KVD. These are natural. That's more my style. I like natural. And it does come with a little thing of glue. Oh, damn it. Dag nabbit. Sorry, pardon me. But look. They're natural. They really are. Kind of hard. It really is hard to see these. Then by Moxie Lash, these are Wifey Lash. That, and Wifey Lash is the style. Nice box. Pretty. Not poof, you know, in your face, where they're touching your eyebrows, getting stuck on everything. I did get a lot of lashes. And this one is Flirtatious LUXE Monarch Lash Pack. Does come with an applicator, the little tweezer applicator. I don't know if it comes with glue or not. Top lash. Okay, so the Monarch Lash Pack includes the top lash is called Baby Girl. It's an angled lash for an iconic cat eye effect. And then, so this one up here is kind of like for that cat eye. But it kind of does. A little small towards the inside, and then it kind of flares out towards the end, towards the outside. And then the bottom lash is called Charmer, and it's a round lash with an instant doll eye effect. And it has the applicator. These are beautiful lashes. This can be so fun to play with. And I did get the Cafe by Marc Jacobs. You know what? To be honest with you, really what it came down to, this is Omega X3. This is a powder, blush, bronzer, and highlight palette. It really is, it goes against everything that I tried to stand behind. Tried to. Is the packaging worth it? And are you going to pay that extra money just because the package is pretty, but the product isn't? No. I did get this because it's beautiful. I mean, look at that. It's like marble. It is gorgeous. And then you have your little button there. I will say this. It is going to get a lot of use, and it will go on trips with me, and it may end up in my purse. Why? Because look at the size of that mirror. That's a huge mirror. Well, hi there. Look at, see, I have a party of 5. Once in a while they show up. What's your name? Talk to the hand, girl. You are not coming out right now. Your Mask Mondays. Anyhow, it's got this big, huge mirror. But check those out. That's pretty. That's pretty. See, of course, we know Marc Jacobs, his products perform well. But here's my question. Maybe you know, maybe you've experienced this, maybe you haven't. Maybe you haven't, you know, come across too much of his products. He had an eyeshadow, and I have the palette over here. I have not become best friends with that palette. It's like got 5 shadows in it. They're little round shadow pods, and not my favorite. You would think that that palette would be one that I would choose to use a lot. No, I have to struggle to get the color to show up on the brush and to transfer to my eyelids. It's like it's fighting a 2-year-old, like my grandbaby. She's on a Mima. That's what they call me. The grandbabies call me Mima. She's on a Mima kick, and she gets on FaceTime. So I have to put Do Not Disturb on my phone when I'm recording, so she doesn't buzz through. But if I hang up, she gets extremely emotional. And then I get a text from my daughter letting me know, which breaks my heart. But I can stay on the phone with her, FaceTime, and she will take me all over the house. Upstairs, downstairs, underneath the bed, under her mom's vanity, under the Christmas tree table. I have been everywhere. So, and I tell my daughter, you know, is this like free babysitting? You just give her the phone, tell her, go call Mima. And it's just me and her. You know what I mean? But why was I on that kick? I don't know. What? There's a reason I was telling you that. What was it? Had something to do with this palette. Just, it'll come to me. I'll watch it during editing and go, there it is. All right, last product in the box. Because of Mask Mondays, it forces me to use a mask on my face other days of the week. I got the 5-sheet mask plus 1 free. Check out the puppy. Isn't he cute? It's got retinol. These are the retinol sheet, the face masks. Revitalizing facial mask, anti-wrinkle, brightening, moisturizing. And I did count them because I was like, is it 5 sheet masks plus 1? So there should be 6 in there, or was there 5 altogether because there's 1 free? There are 6 sheet masks in this box. It's squishy. You got to be careful though. Sometimes you get to squishing them just to get them to become saturated, and it will cause the mask to, it'll cause it to tear, depending on whether or not they're durable. But anyhow, let's see how long this mask is. Anti-wrinkle, brightening, and moisturizing. And of course, everything is, well, no, there we go. 10 to 20 minutes. This would be a good mask. This would be a good mask. Especially when I'm just sitting here watching some Netflix. Yeah, this would be a good mask. All right, you guys, that's everything I got. The 2 items I was most impressed with, obviously, is the Cafe by Marc Jacobs. That mirror itself, you could take out the product. Just give me that mirror in a compact. And then, of course, these 2 are so cute. There's Flower, and yes, he is a little boy. Because at the end, he meets that little girl. And then, of course, there's Thumper. So, and my eyelashes. The Boxy. The Flirtatious Look. ABH. And then my, is it the KVD? My KVD fell on the ground. Anyway, that is everything that I got from the Boxy. It's BOXYCHARM. It was the last pop-up because today's the 6th. It's choice day. And add-ons at the same time. So, or drop shop. I don't know. I don't care. This, again, that whole name pop-up, add-on, drop shop, whatever, they all come in a box. They all have discounted prices. And I like to buy things like that. All right, you guys, without further ado, I'm going to say adieu. I appreciate you guys taking a little bit of your time and spending it with me. If you like and you want to see more of my alter ego hosting the Mask Monday, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, I would greatly appreciate it. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.